guys. Like I'm gonna be like, I got something big, and pull you up. Today we're going to be scuba diving in some of the darkest waters in the world. The dangers we face are alligators, snakes, snapping turtles, and being pushed into a cave underwater. With zero visibility, all this is pretty scary, but the payout is pretty high. We could find iPhones, GoPros, money, jewelry, pretty much you name it, we could find it out here. And today we're going to be diving to see what all cool stuff we could find at the bottom of the river. We're loading up everything in the canoes here. I'm so excited. Hopefully we can find some good things. We got Chris and we have Kyle. If you want to check out their channels, I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. Make sure you guys subscribe to their channels. Before we get out there in the river to see what kind of cool stuff we can find, let me show you guys the gear I'm using today. So to start things off, I've got a scuba tank. With this tank, I'm gonna be able to breathe for a few hours underneath the water. I also have a super powerful dive light. Without this light, I wouldn't be able to see a thing underneath the water. I also got a trash bag and a treasure bag. Any cool stuff we find, we're gonna stick in here. Got a dive knife to keep me safe, so if I get stuck in fishing line, I can cut myself free. Got a wetsuit to keep me warm, and I also have a PFD to keep me safe. But before we get out there to see all the cool stuff we can find, let's see what kind of treasures we can find in Rise of Kingdoms, today's sponsor.
Rise of Kingdoms. Download for free.
There's 11 civilizations along with their own commanders. I chose Japan as it's a country surrounded by water. The samurai troops are pretty awesome, and they just helped me beat this battle against the Ottomans. Okay, so let's head up and see what we can find. Here's a gold mine, and it seems like there's a lot of treasure. Wait, there's an Ottoman's troop also collecting treasure. Alright, so before heading out, I have to prepare my troops. Lucky my alliance members help me a lot with my resources so that I can train more troops, especially since my Japan civilization has a 5% more troop capacity than the other civilizations. We can see the Ottoman is using the cavalry. Let's use the infantry. They have advantages against cavalry. My troops are heading out. Even though I have less battle power than him, let's see what happens. I defeated him. There's a lot of excitement in Rise of Kingdoms, so use the link in the description to dive in and check it out. Download it now and immortalize your journey. Alright, so we got about a mile upstream to go. Oh, look at this dragonfly. Alright, that's pretty cool. That must mean good luck.
Wait, are you DALLMYD?
Yeah, that's me.
Dude! Hey, I watch your videos so much!
Hey, cowboy.
What's up, man? Fun Apple Watch.
Alright, where'd you lose it? That's the guy who found the treasure. That's cool. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright guys, super excited right now. It took a lot of effort to get up here. We had a canoe over a mile. But we got Chris over here with all the scuba gear. We're teeing it up, and hopefully we can find more stuff than we ever have here in the Santa Fe River. We got big dive lights. It's gonna be very dark down there, a little scary, but I think we can do it. Let's do this, buddy.
Go.
Oh no! Oh. Alright, so we're at the rope swing right now. This is always a good place to check for lost treasures. Guys is going right now, and where we're gonna check is right where he lands. So let's go check it out. Yeah, I went over there diving, and it was kind of scary. Dude, you better watch out, Wild Cow. Where'd you go?
You better watch out, Wild Cow.
You better watch out. They're gonna sink these things. No, I went over here.
You sink everybody.
Alright, so we made it back to the truck. We got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. Got a lot of sunglasses. Some of them are actually really nice, like Ray-Bans, Costas, and other name brands. But I will say my favorite pair of sunglasses are actually these ones right here. I've never found this before, but these are Louis Vuitton. These could be worth several $100s, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with them, but I'll clean them up, maybe give them to my mom or someone. I'm not too sure. I'm obviously not going to wear them, but I got 4 phones on my side. Chris found one as well. 2 iPhone 11s, a iPhone X, and I'm not too sure what this one is. And I also got 2 Apple Watches here, and a bunch of e-cigarettes, some jewelry, and like always, any stuff that we can find the owners to, we'll be sure to give all this stuff back to them completely for free. So we're going to dry all this stuff out and see if they turn back on here at a later date. But I'm just going to show you guys over here. This is all Chris's stuff. Found a Jeep key. I don't know what you would do if you lost your key in the river. He found an iPhone 11. Bunch of other cool stuff, some jewelry, a couple wedding rings, a shark tooth necklace, a cool knife, and a bunch of e-cigarettes. Overall, we had a great day, and I'd say we got super lucky. Be sure to check out the link below to download Rise of Kingdoms, where you can be one of 1,000 people to get a $20 gift card to AR 500. Civilization Battle Calling, immortalize your journey.